got a 2023 Hyundai Palisade key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open the remote to replace the battery. First thing you're going to do is turn it over. You have a button right here. We're going to push that, and we're going to pull out the emergency key that's at the bottom of the remote. Like that. Okay, so once you pull it out. Now we're going to remove this back panel here. And to do that, this is where the emergency key came out of, is this slot here. You need a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to kind of put it in here just maybe, I don't know, maybe a quarter of an inch in there, and you can pry up from the inside the back panel. Okay, you can see how the screwdriver is right there. Okay, there's a little slot right when you get in here. It's going to help you pull it up like that. Okay, see how this works. Alright, so once you get that off, you just push the battery out of the board, and we'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032. Positive side, here's the positive side here, facing out towards us. It just slides back in. You get the cover, snap it back in, and you are all done. You get the key, and it should go right back in. Locks, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful and was. Appreciate that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could.